Good Monday morning. How are you all doing out there? I'm feeling blessed again this morning. Every day I wake up and feeling blessed because of the life that I've had and the life that I lead, my friends, companions, and other people that I meet in life. I hope you can all feel a little bit blessed yourself and are feeling good about life. And if not, reach out to a friend, a loved one, or some religious spiritual leader or something to try to feel a little bit better about what's going on. Today is going to be a blessed day. Even though I've been complaining about the rain, I feel not very good because we need it here in California. Looks like it's going to be dry this week. We are going to have a little more sprinkles later this evening. It will be dry this week, and so I've got 3 or 4 days, and I want to take at least one of those days and go hit some golf balls, play around at golf, because I belong to a membership where I paid for golf ahead of time and I get a birthday round, and the last 2 years I haven't used it, so I'm entitled to 3 birthday rounds this month, but with so much rain I haven't had a chance to use it. With 3 or 4 dry days this week and maybe a couple next week, I got to get those rounds in. So may not be doing a lot of making over the next couple weeks, but that's okay because you got to have a balanced perspective. At least that's what I keep telling myself. I did release a YouTube video early this morning. I did it yesterday. I had it scheduled to release at midnight, so it should be out. That YouTube video is going to cover how I polished that epoxy wood bowl. It's made out of white oak, maple, and not maple, white oak, walnut, and epoxy drips on the top. That looks pretty cool if you ask me. The way that the epoxy stayed separated is really cool. I wanted to make it look like a fiery kind of thing, and I think I accomplished that with the help of Jake Thompson at Northside Custom Crafts. And so let me show you what that bowl looks like. In the event you hadn't seen that bowl from last week, or after I polished it, or you haven't seen the video I released is going to talk about how I got that real shine to that bowl using my lathe, and that was pretty cool. So potpourri bowl. And the potpourri goes inside of here. This is the lid that goes on to hold the potpourri in it. You can see it allows the fragrance to come out. So I was pretty happy with the way that turned out, the shininess of the bowl and the wood. And so if you want to know how I did that, go check out my video. You may recall these are my laser engraved pictures that I donate to the San Diego Fine Woodworkers Association for their holiday sale. I'll be working on some more. I've got a gorilla picture that I'm getting ready to try to do today. Get those pictures glued in after I finish sanding the frames, and then I'll finish the pictures and the frames together and put my brand and logo on them. That potpourri bowl that I just showed you, that is also a San Diego Fine Woodworker donation, so I'll be donating that. Now I'm trying to figure out what my next projects are. I do know that I have a set of shelves for a friend of mine that she wants for her glitter and stuff, and I may use that same shelf structure for holding on to my pigments. I'm looking at how to better hold the selection of pigments I have for my epoxy work, because I've got so many pigments just stuffed in a box, it's hard to find the different colors when I want them. So that's one of the projects I'm going to work on. The other one is I'm going to laser engrave that gorilla picture for the San Diego Fine Woodworkers Association. I also had a request from my grandkids, and I think you all know how I feel about my grandkids. One wants a koala 3D print. So I'm going to go look for a koala 3D print and print that. And then there are a couple other 3D prints. I haven't been doing much printing in the last 2 weeks. There are a couple other 3D prints I want to take a look at doing for the practical use in the garage. So I may spend some time on that. I'm just feeling like this week may not be a very productive week of putting out products, but I am going to get another video out and go play some golf. So as far as I'm concerned, those things are just as important. And we will check back later. Have a great day, and talk to you later today or later in the week.